Hello, this is Mr. Doreen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Doc. First, open a new web browser up here and go to www.gmail.com. Next, if you don't have a place to type in your email, click on Add Account right here. Then go ahead and type in your email address and your password, and then go ahead and click on Sign In. Next, click on the little squares you see on the upper right-hand corner up here. Then find the Drive icon right here and click on it. To create a new document, click on the Create button right here. Then select Document from the drop-down menu right here. Once your new document is open, the first thing you want to do is add a title up here. If you're working on lessons in Canvas, go check the directions on each page because they will tell you what title to write for each assignment. For example, I can go back to Canvas by finding the tab up here and clicking on it. I'll scroll down, and as you can see on this page, the title is right over here. This is what I need to title my Google Doc. Just copy the title by clicking and dragging over the words to highlight them. Don't copy the quotations, just the title right here. So I'll highlight it. I'm not copying the quotations. Okay. Go ahead and right click or double tap with your fingers if you're on a Chromebook and select Copy. Then find the tab that has your untitled Google Doc up here and click on it to go back to it. Click where it says Untitled Document over here where I showed you, up here. And go ahead and delete this title right there. And then right click or two finger tap if you're using a Chromebook like this and select Paste. So it pasted the title. Delete the word name and type your first name. So I'm going to delete name and I'll put Mr. Doreen. And go ahead and delete this number symbol and go ahead and put your number, or actually you can leave the number and just put your number like that. Okay. Then click OK. As you can see up here, you have now changed the title of your document. So when you turn it in, I know your name and your number, so I know who this document belongs to. If you click on the My Drive tab up here, the new title of your document will appear in a few moments if you're patient. Actually, mine is already here. Sometimes yours might take a little while. Just be patient. Okay. When you exit and come back in the future to your Google Docs, just click on the name of your document to open it. So let me show an example. Right now I have this open. If I close this and in the future I get out of here and I want to come back and I want to see that document, I just go ahead and click here and it opens the document. And I can tell this is it because it has my name, my number, and it has the title of that assignment. Okay? So now that you have titled your new document, you can go ahead and work on it. For this assignment, copy and paste the test you took on elements of a story. I'm just going to go ahead and go up here to this tab so I can access the quiz that I took. As you can see, I got 100%. I'm going to go ahead up here and click and then drag all the way down so I can copy it. Next, once it's all highlighted, I'm going to right click and select Copy. Again, if you're on a Chromebook, you have to double tap to select Copy. Now go back to your Google Doc by clicking on the tab up here. Then right click somewhere here in the document. Go ahead and right click and select Paste. Okay, as you can notice, that went ahead and pasted the assignment that I did, the test. I'll scroll up so that I can see the top of it. Okay, now add your student number right here by your name. So I'm going to go ahead and put a space. I'm going to put the number symbol, and my number is 0, so I'm going to go ahead and put 0 right there. So as you notice, I typed the space, the number symbol, and my number. Okay, when you're done, don't worry about saving your work because Google Docs saves your work automatically all by itself. So now that you have your title up here, your name here, and you have your student number here and here, okay, and now that you have the work on the page, you are ready to turn in your assignment. To exit Google Docs, follow these directions very carefully. First, click on the X up here to close your document. So it's okay to click on this X to close it. That's okay. Then click on the X up here to close your Google Drive. It's okay to click on this X. Then do not click on the X up here in your Gmail inbox. Instead, you must log out by clicking up here and selecting sign out. If you don't do this, if you just click on the X, someone else can get into your email and just do whatever it is they want to do. So make sure you do not click this X. You click here, right there, and click on sign out. Okay, that logs you out of your email. Okay, so now you know how to create a Google Doc. If you missed something, play this video again to see and hear what you missed. If you have already completed the steps on this video, go on to the next step. Once again, this is Mr. Doreen. Thanks for following along, and now go create a Google Doc.